Welcome to Rosebud Nourishment, where we will be soaring through the clouds and nourishing ourselves day by day. Today I want to just share a little lesson that I've learned along the way, being in Vancouver. It's so beautiful here, being in the mountains. It feels as though you're transcended into another world, really. All interdimensional beings and here to expand and create a new awareness together. Something I think we often forget is how sacred it is to really connect with nature and the elements around us, and how we can be using these elements to our advantage to thrive and flourish in life. And it's simple, really. By connecting with nature, we are more connected with ourselves, closer to ourselves. And each environment is so distinct, has a sacred codification, even in the trees, in the flowers, in the sea, in the rivers. It's just about really tuning in to these frequencies to heal ourselves. Oftentimes we don't tune in with our dimensional bodies and how we can be recharging them in nature simply by tuning in with ourselves through breathing and permission, asking permission from the trees, the flowers, the sea creatures. All these living beings that live on the planet, they flourish because they are connected and walking through life in nature. And we walk the planet in expansion, attraction, abundance, instead of contraction, confusion, and struggle. It is this little switch in our minds that is so easy to do, yet feels impossible when we live in a society that fills us with toxins, herbicides, pesticides, antibiotics, all of these chemicals that we do not need in our bodies, in our environment. We no longer walk the earth the way that our ancestors have before us. Remember, our healing and our nourishment is always in nature. And to remember our ancestors and how they lived before us, and coming back to that center of being. As we continue to expand as a collective on the planet, in our consciousness, in our nourishment, in our evolution, it all begins with our simple reconnection with ourselves, reconnection with the planet. That is when we can celebrate each other, celebrate ourselves, and not only on this dimensional playing field, experiencing fireworks and expansive experiences, but knowing that we have the ability to expand like these fireworks, to create so abundantly and to flourish together. And come back to your spirit in its highest state, its highest highest being and highest form. Thank you for listening, and I hope you tune into nature today.